Let's learn AWS. Today we will learn how to validate request message being sent to a REST API. We will use body mapping template in integration request block to transform request message to the needs of Lambda. Similarly, we will use body mapping template in request in integration response block to suit the needs of client invoking the REST API. Create a resource called user. We will invoke REST API host method to interact with this resource. We create this simple Lambda function which accepts a string input and returns a string output. Upload jar file to AWS and test your code by creating a event object. For more information on how to create Lambda functions using Java, refer my previous video, link in description. Associate a Lambda to REST API and create a model for REST API input. We will create a simple model with fields first name and last name. JSON-schema.net website was used to create schema. AWS does not support $ID and examples keyword. I don't want to search for another JSON schema generator website. I will manually remove those schema tags, that is ID and example. After creating your model, switch to resources view and select method request. Set request validator to validate body and specify the name of your message model. Here I am using Apache Velocity language to append two strings, first name and last name. I tested my API by providing 2 out of 3 input fields. As expected, API gateway blocked my request from reaching Lambda. When we provide all 3 mandatory input fields, our request reaches Lambda and it responds successfully. Observe body mapping template in integration request block is transforming first name and last name into one field called name. We now create response body mapping template to suit the needs of the client that invokes our REST API. You now see that transforming input and output is the job of API gateway, while Lambda is used to handle business logic. We tested the API endpoint with AWS client. Testing is successful. Let me know in comments, is Apache Velocity sufficient for your mapping and transformation needs? What expression language would you prefer in Apache Velocity's place? Reply in comments.